Hey guys, you look the Mike Outdoor YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the wild camping in one of the most beautiful places in the Alps. Hiking, preparing a good food and a lot of other stuff. So let's go. First meters goes really good. Not easy but good. Firstly I have to get to the first lake. Probably I rest there a little bit and then go to the second lake. Probably I did the second part of my road. Yeah, now I'm going on. I'm nearly the lake and my camping spot in the end of this lake. It's so beautiful here, guys. And I can think just about food, what in my backpack, and which I can prepare in the 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I don't know why it wasn't like hard hike and it wasn't long hike, but it was really warm. And there's my place for spending the night. There's one tent and mine will be second one, I think. I'll put my tent, I'll prepare my cooking set and start cooking. I have meat, I have sausages, I have flour for bread. Oh, it's gonna be really tasty. I'm so excited. And all this hike was just for that moment, to eat that fresh made food on such beautiful place. One of the most beautiful lakes in Switzerland. Just few hundred meters and I'm on the place. I'm so happy, to be honest. So guys, I just asked that guys. They said that I have to pay €7 on the farm and I can stay here whenever I want, any place. I'm so happy now. I'm so happy. Yeah, I just take €10 and then go there. And I also have a lot of neighbors here. I hope they are friendly. So I already paid 10 francs. I'm going to put my tent, rest a little bit and then go to prepare some food. For this moment I was waiting till the start of this hike. What I want now. Oh. So guys, I put all what I prepared to eat now and I'll show you. So we have some sausages, some meat, of course fresh bread, and plate to this gas station to prepare all this stuff. Ooh. Oh. This beautiful. Ooh. My neighbors, warm fresh bread. Cool guys, I put all inside the tent, pack my backpack, prepare to the night. Night can be a little bit cold, but not that much. Yeah. I will woke up with this amazing view. Just look at that. Now it's amazing, but how it will be in the morning, yeah, we will see. Let me show you what I have inside my tent. Sleeping bed, sleeping bag, my backpack, and pillow. The few power banks and lightning, yeah, and that's it. It's enough for me now. Yeah. Then I'll see you guys in the morning. I look not the best way. Good morning guys. I woke up around 10 or 15 times during the night because of these bells. It's crazy. You know, I'm gonna fly a little bit with my drone and then prepare some food. Then I'll pack my stuff and go to the car. So I have two prepared meal. Real tourmat. First one, look like that. And another one. Now I will use my jet boil. Yeah, when you woke up more than 10 times during the night, you feel yourself not the best way.
I don't have much water now. I'm going to take some from the lake. A little bit water. And we have to wait 5-8 minutes. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let's try it. Look nice. Mm. Okay, let's put all stuff in the backpack. So guys, finally I pack all my stuff.
On this place I camped last night, and every time when you go camping, will you please clean space after you? There is my car, finally. Thanks guys for watching till the end. If you like this video, subscribe on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.